Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Ashley, and before we get into it, I'm pretty sure y'all already wondering, why does old girl have a scarf around her head? Let today be the start of something new. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Ashley, and before we get into it, I'm pretty sure y'all already wondering, why does old girl have a scarf around her head? Well, I have this scarf on because I didn't feel like gluing down my wig. Ooh. Yeah, I did feel like doing it, y'all. Hashtag we are staying at home. Hashtag stay clean. Hashtag stay safe. Hashtag stay sanitized. But your girl just could not do it. But I'm glad today, you guys. Wanna know why? It's our official video on the Luscious K channel. Shout out to us. We are here, you guys. Your girl's gonna be coming with new videos, new content, vlogs, beauty, lifestyle. You name it, your girl gonna do it to a certain extent. Don't y'all get carried away. But according to the title, y'all already know we're going to get into a bathroom cabinet. We're going to organize that thing. We're going to put things where they belong because it needs to be touched. But I do want you all to please like, comment, and subscribe. Please share this video. If you're at it, hit that notification button, hit that subscribe button so you all will know when my videos are uploaded. And keep in tune at the end of this video. All of my social medias will be present so you all can follow me, check them out, like them. And that's where I'm going to be showing posts of this channel. This is where I'm going to keep you all updated on my new videos. This is where I'm going to ask you all questions pertaining to videos and more. So, you know, do y'all thing. Do y'all thing. But I think I'm done rambling on. Let's go ahead and get into it. So before we got into the bathroom cabinet, I did want to hop on over to my phone and show you guys exactly where I get my containers from. The containers I got came two in a pack. They came from Five Below. Fairly cheap. I don't remember the price, but they're around the $5 size. $5 price. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Five Below. You're going to go to those three lines. You're going to go ahead and go to the room tab. You're going to click on the room tab. And then from there, you're going to go to storage and organization. Once you get there, you're actually going to scroll down slightly. And then once it stops playing around, you're going to click on storage and bins. Don't mind if it takes too long. You guys know, y'all know my phone be tweaking. But you're going to click on storage bins. And then from there, if it ever pops up, psych. But from there, you're going to go ahead and you're going to scroll down, look through the containers. Again, like I said, you guys, they don't sell the ones I have anymore, but they do have nice ones in replace of that. So, you know, look through that, see what you like. Keep in mind, guys, when you are looking for these bathroom cabinets, the first thing I would suggest doing before you go out and purchase anything is to, eyesight the bathroom cabinet, meaning, look at the sizing, look at what you're working with length. You don't have to use the same measure. I didn't. But if you feel like you need to, then, do what's best for you. But I didn't use one. I didn't think I needed one. Just to make sure that you're getting the proper sizing. So from Five Below, I went ahead and wanted to check out Target for you guys. Target does have a nice selection of products for, the bathroom, the containers that you can use and things of that nature. So I went to Menu, and then from Menu, don't make the mistake that I made. I accidentally clicked on, when I went from categories, I went to household essentials. Do not go to household essentials. Thought containers would be in there. They're not. So you're gonna get out of the household essentials. You're gonna go back, and this is the part where I literally just was like, oh wait, there's some containers in here, let me go back. So you go ahead, go back, scroll down to home. That makes the most sense anyways. And then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna scroll down to storage and organization. From there, you're going to scroll down to, I believe it was something in baskets. Can't even think of it. But as you can see, I'm scrolling because I'm looking for it. You're gonna scroll down to, I swear y'all, I think it's baskets. Something storage. Nope, that ain't it. What is it? Yep, storage. So once you go there, you're gonna actually look through their options. I clicked on the first one because it seems similar to the containers that I got from Five Below. Similar as in size, not look. But just like, scroll through the picture, you see the width of it. You can see what type of products can fit in there. If you're looking for something bigger, then I would also check out other stores such as, Walmart, Amazon, any store that sells housing products, storage, anything of those nature. You can actually get from anywhere. But here I am, I'm still scrolling, looking through the baskets. I'm not the brown basket type of girl for a bathroom, but I just want to show you all a nice selection of baskets you all can go through. Like I said, there's other stores that you can check out that may sell the container that you're looking for. So without further ado, you guys, I think I'm kind of done here. Let's go ahead and get into this bathroom cabinet.
All right, guys, so we're in the bathroom. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. So because my bathroom doesn't have the space I need to organize the containers, I'm gonna go ahead and take them to the living room. More space, more room to work. So y'all just gonna be seeing me in and out this mug until we're done.
So right now, guys, you're seeing me go in and out the bathroom. What I'm doing is I'm taking all of the containers and majority of the my products out of the bathroom cabinet. Some things I decided to leave in there because I felt like I will get to them later on. I wanted to get to the containers first because they took up the most room in the cabinet, and then afterwards I would add in the remaining products afterwards to see what the type of room that I have left.
Okay, guys, so everything is cleaned out from under the bathroom cabinets. Hallelujah. So right now I'm going to show you all. It's kind of empty, so yeah. So you see the cabinet is empty in itself. That side is my roommate's side, so don't pay attention to that. And then everything that I left here on the floor is what's going to get put back into the cabinet once the bins are in there, and then that's how I'm going to determine how much room I got left. So let's go ahead. We can go ahead and go into the living room. So right now I have everything laid out in the living room as such. See, everything's out. So we can go ahead and get into this thing. Prop you all up so you all can see. And you can see me. Okay, guys. So I decided to grab 2 plastic bags, just because we all know in the process of reorganizing, cleaning, straightening up, or whatever how you want to call it, there's some stuff you're going to come across that you're actually going to throw away. And I'm glad I grabbed them, because based off of how these containers is looking, a lot of stuff is going to get thrown out. So how I actually would just like to start is dumping everything. Don't do it if you don't want to, but I say dump everything out, and that's going to determine everything that you want to use. Like I said, these are the containers that I have. See? Nice length, nice width, lots of room. Second container cleaned out. Okay. Third container. In my opinion, I don't know how these containers will look once I'm done cleaning them out. I feel like once you throw stuff away, it's like at that point we really need it anymore. Hand sanitizer, come on, girl. Hit that one time for one time. Bam. Okay. Boom. So now we got the fourth container cleaned out, empty. Everything is now dumped. So now we gotta figure it out organization-wise. Now, in my opinion, I could definitely organize it by category. So that can be hair, feminine products, miscellaneous, and then you just have stuff like maybe makeup in here or something like that. So I don't really know how I want it to come out, but we're gonna just actually see how it turns out. So I'm gonna start with these two containers first. This one I'm gonna strictly just use for like hair. Now, this thing was emptier than that thing just after straightening it up. So, that's good. This one, I would say for my feminine products. There we know what those are. Yeah. This box I'm going to consider like, yeah, my feminine products. Body wash, things of that nature. Even, you know what, go the race because there's a simple feminine product. Now, mind you, everything ain't gonna fit. Keep that in mind when you are organizing. Everything is not going to fit in the basket. You can definitely stuff it if you want, but then that's how you're gonna lead all the way back to having to reorganize it again. Now you're gonna do all that. So this, I would say, is like my makeup item, makeup stuff. So cannot forget the makeup. Need them. Makeup brushes. That's related to makeup will go in here. So this is just we call this the hygiene pad. So anything that's like hygiene related, it's a regular shower cap. You go into the hair file. Glasses, hair tie. I've been looking for this. Look at God. This is that, you know when you had an extra bag of hair? Yeah, this is it. So that'll go on the side. And then, see, sometimes you gotta move this stuff around. You gotta make sure that everything fits. Alright, everything looks taken care of. I'm gonna put them back into the bathroom and then I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. Alright guys, so everything is back under the cabinet, cleaned out, decluttered, organized, all those words in the dictionary that defines how this cabinet is looking right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all how it looks currently. Bada bing, bada boom. Come on, if there isn't a God, I do not know. So you guys, all four containers is back in here, organized to my liking. Of course, you can organize it how you want to, but it's more comfortable that the bins is on this side and other products is on that side. Easy access. Like I told you all, once the 4 containers got back into the cabinet, that's how I was going to determine where the rest of the products were going to go. So it made more sense for me to align them on the side of the containers, easier access for me. But that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I love you all. See you guys next time. Now, keep in mind that I do have upcoming videos that will be at the end of this one. So go ahead and check it out when you're done. Bye.